Dear friends, brothers and sisters, I will be very brief. We welcome you all at 28th Arya Mahasammelan, organized by Arya Pratinidhi Sabha, America, and hosted by Greater Atlanta Vedic Temple. As we are inching towards the end of this year, Mahasammelan, I just want to share my thoughts in few words. Ancient knowledge and science, since creation has been passed to new generation by oral recitation. Later on, this intellectual and scientific knowledge was given the title of Samhita, when Vedas were written as a text. These texts were recited in various formats, thereby preserving correct enunciation with appropriate accent. Therefore, Vedas remained unadulterated. Many dedicated souls memorized verbatim by verbatim to have correct and authentic pronunciation, even though civilizations changed. Our beloved organization called Arya Samaj, established by Maharshi Swami Dayanand Saraswati as a reform society, kept this process of transmission of the ancient scientific and spiritual knowledge to new generations. The challenges faced by visionary leaders who led the Arya Samaj movement earlier were rooted in the time and context of their time. The challenges we face are different, but not much more difficult than what they faced. We must adapt to our time so that the movement remains relevant and can gain higher prominence in the lives of people we wish to serve. Arya Samaj, with its less emphasis on rituals and focus on looking at scientific basis of philosophy, appeals to large number of people of word. Vedic concepts of omnipresent God can bring the world together. Arya Samaj is only place to comfort for the people who come back in the process of Suddhi or reconversion. We emphasize the moral, ethical, and health and environmental benefits of vegetarianism, but not only the religious arguments. Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati and other leaders of Arya Samaj understood not just their own scriptures, but also the scriptures of others. That is the reason they excelled in Shastrarth or debate. While other Indian traditions do not convey their clarity and finality of the scriptures, Arya Samaj, with its emphasis only on Vedas, is best suited to engage in this debate and polemics. We have thousands of Vedic temples or Arya Samaj which are teaching and propagating the Vedic knowledge and Vedic values. We cannot have ever enough of such kind of centers to serve the community. I am proud to announce another such center to serve the humanity in the northern part of Atlanta. People living in the Alpharetta, Milton, Roswell, Johns Creek, and Cumming area will be most benefited. We have acquired about 7 acres of land in Cumming, Georgia. It is such a serene place for worship, meditation, and yoga. It is full of natural beauty, along with a lake on the property, feeling of mountain living in the city. This will not be a place of worship only. It will be the place to propagate the knowledge of Vedas, culture, and modern education. We will have the ability to teach and preach at least Hindi, English, Sanskrit, and French, if not more, in the beginning. This new place of prominence would not have been possible without the active and moral support of Sri Vishrut Arya Ji. He has always been supportive of this idea. Thank you, Vishrut Ji. I will also need the support of all other people, especially Sunita Ji and Surinder Ji, who lives very close to that place.